Grab a wet paper towel and wrap the sweet potato with it. Put the sweet potato in the microwave for 8 minutes. Let it cool for 3 minutes. Open the cream cheese and measure out half a cup. And place it in a microwave-safe serving bowl. Cover with a paper towel and microwave for 45 seconds. Place the sweet potato on a cutting board and use a butter knife to cut the sweet potato. Use a spoon to scoop out the inside on the sweet potato into a mixing bowl. Add a pinch of tahini to the sweet potato and cream cheese mixture. Add the softened cream cheese to the sweet potato and mix with a fork. Serve hyena dip with pretzel sticks and enjoy.